If you own a Nissan car or truck and you're having issues with the windows no longer rolling down on one of the doors, in my situation it was the passenger door not rolling down, you realize, of course, there's this little button that will deactivate, enable and enable the windows, of course, when you press that. So if I press it down, that's going to make all my windows except my driver window not be able to roll down. It's like a child safety thing. However, if you notice that you do that and then you press it back up and this window still no longer, or one of your windows still no longer rolls down, it may not be an issue with the button or some kind of settings. What it is if you haven't used that window in a long time, what'll happen is that it'll get slightly jammed on there. So what happens is the weather will expand and contract around the door and around the frame there, and what will happen is it gets slightly stuck. So let's go ahead and fix it now. So for over a year, my passenger window would no longer roll down. So what you want to do is kind of help it along a little bit. So you might have to get someone else to help you, but what you want to do is hold your hand down on the window, and as you do that, you try to push down as you're pushing down on the window. And then what'll happen is you'll notice, you'll hear it go down, and it'll be like a sticky thing that goes like pop, it'll like stick. And so what you realize is that the weather was expanding and contracting, and being that you're not using the window all the time and you're rarely using it, what'll happen is it just gets stuck there due to the weather. So go ahead and work it and see if you can undo the window now on your vehicle.